So this represents an excellent opportunity for me to help you understand the difference between judges that fall under the executive branch of the government, administrative judges, and then judges that fall under the judiciary. So under the executive branch, Article 2 of the United States Constitution, they have different agencies. So Department of Homeland Security has immigration courts. The Environmental Protection Agency has courts related to EPA violations. There are Department of Homeland Security. I don't think they have any judges, but various different agencies under the executive branch, which the president is the top, has judiciary sort of court sort of like system when people do things wrong and you can, so they have administrative judges. Now, on the other branches of the government, Article 3, you have the judiciary. So those judges, while the president can appoint judges to sit on the district court level judges and then on the court of appeals as well, and obviously the Supreme Court, that's the end of the role of the president, essentially appointing them for those roles. After that, the Senate confirms them, and once they're confirmed, that's a wrap. That's it, because a lot of them have lifetime appointments. And once they're confirmed as judges, there's no recalling them. If there was an attempt to recall them, it'd have to come from Congress, and then it'd have to come from like 2/3 of Congress or something like that, or 2/3 of the Senate. It's an overwhelming amount of legislatures that we have to recall a judge, and they don't. Republicans, if they wanted to, don't have anywhere near the numbers they need to recall any of those federal judges. So all those federal judges, they're good and confirm their job once they already got their seat. It's really hard to recall them. Now you do have some judges in the state level that are appointed by the governor, and that can be touched by the president, because remember, federalism, the federal is just, that's their thing. The states, they're sovereign, they do whatever they want. Donald Trump cannot fire or hire any of those state judges. And the magistrates also under the federal judiciary, that's on the purview of the judiciary. So the judiciary have their own little system going on to which the president can't touch. So yes, you may see the president firing immigration lawyers, which is, judges don't make any sense, but none of the thing they do is make sense whatsoever. And that's going to continue, and that's going to happen. And that's his executive agencies. But then also, to tell you the extent of the power, when the ICE agents want to go into somebody's homes, they need to get a warrant that's signed by a judge from the judiciary. It has more power and weight than a judge that they get from Homeland Security or immigration courts. It's kind of like, it doesn't have the same weight in terms of, for when you're challenging someone's Fourth Amendment right, it has to come from the federal judges, not the administrative judges. The federal judges are more powerful. So Donald Trump doesn't have any authority or power to do anything to those judges other than just try to bully them, which they're successfully doing. But that's a video for another day. I hope that helps share with you the difference between the different judges. So yeah. All right, yeah, so they do have immigration judges. I'm not denying that, and he's firing them, but it has nothing to do with the federal judges.